So today we are going to discuss how to add a Chrome extension which enables us to summarize a YouTube video. So here is an 1 hour over video. Instead of watching this entire video and spending a lot of time, we will get the summarized version of this entire video by just clicking this Chrome extension. So here is the summary of that entire video. In this way, we can quickly generate the summary of the video without watching this entire video. By reviewing this content, we can determine whether the information that we are searching for is there in the video or not. And additionally, this extension provides the option for asking the questions based on this content generated. So for example, I am asking about silicon innovation. So what is silicon innovation? Here we receive the answer for this from the content. So without wasting our time, let's quickly dive into the code. So basically Python, that what we have using here for developing the backend logic. So here we have importing the required libraries. So basically Langchain is the orchestration framework that we have using here. So the first step is to extract the transcript from the video. So this is the YouTube video URL. And by extracting the video ID from this URL using this regex pattern, extract video ID function, we will get this video ID. Using this video ID, we can extract the transcript using YouTube transcript API. This class we have importing from the YouTube transcript API library. Using this get YouTube transcript function with the input of the video ID, finally we will get the transcript of the entire video. This is basically in the text format. So next we aim to summarize the transcript that we have extracted using the Grok model. So if you have not aware with this Grok model, please check my previous videos where I have explained how to use this Grok model and how to create this Grok API key. And here we have initializing this chat Grok model using this API key. The model is a Llama 3.1 8-bit instant. And instead of using this API, so alternatively, you can download this 8-bit model directly from the web if you have the necessary resources in your system. Here we have using the APIs, and we have creating this summarization prompt. Let's say just giving like summarize the following text as the template. The input variable will be the transcript. Using Langchain, we initialize the LLM chain and creating the chain by using the summarization prompt and model. And finally, we will get the summarized version of this transcript by just quickly invoking using this chain. Our next aim is to enable the question answering feature. To enable this feature, we need a vector store to store this entire transcript as chunks. So in order to store these chunks, we definitely need an embedding function. So different embedding functions is available in the web. We can use the embedding function from the Hugging Face, and here I am using Cohere embeddings. By using this Cohere API key from the web, we can directly create the API key, and using this API key, we can initialize these embeddings, and then the embedding model named Embed English v 3.0, and this is the best model for embedding this text. And next we are initializing this vector store using this embedding function, and the collection name is the YouTube embed. And next we need to document this entire transcript using this document library from Langchain schema. Finally, we will get a an object of document, and next we want to convert these objects into chunks using the character text splitter, and finally we will get a chunk of documents that we want to add into this vector store. So totally we got 78 chunks, and here we are adding these chunks into the Chroma vector store. So our primary aim is to retrieve the answer from the question that we are going to ask. So here is the sample question: what did he tell about Azure AI Foundry? And actually we need to retrieve the relevant chunks from the vector store. Using this retriever, we will get these relevant chunks, which is mostly related to this question, using this similarities score threshold. The threshold is basically that we have given 0.1. This is the retrieved data from this retriever in the form of a list of documents, and we want to join this text into a campaign document, and these campaign documents that we have using as a context for our question. And next we need to create a prompt for getting the answer from that context using this question, and simply giving the template as the given the following context provide a clear and concise answer to the question. And next we are creating the chain, same as that we have already created for the summarization, and using this chain we can use the context as the campaign documents and the questions that we have asked. Finally we will get the answer of the particular question that we have asked. So this is the application that we have developed for creating the Chrome extension. So this is the backend for this application. So the backend is same as that what we have discussed in the notebook. We have using the same logics. Only the change is we have created a class and methods. Okay. So this is our main.py. Here we have using the fast API application for creating these summarize and question answering API. This is the different APIs, and by clicking this summarization button, it will call for this summarize API, and it will execute this summarization logic that we have already discussed, and finally it will return these summary details with this title and thumbnail. And if you want to ask some questions, it will trigger this ask API and will return this answer by using this retrieval method. For the UI of this extension, I have used JavaScript to trigger the summarization and the question answering API from UI to the backend. Basically, it enables this, it maintains this communication between backend and the UI part. And this popup.html defines the structure of this extension UI. And I have provided the button for the summarization and the features for adding input from the users for this question answering purpose. And this manifest.json acts as the configuration file, which consists of this version name and some permissions. And it contains the supporting PNG files for this UI. And this CSS file provides the style to design and enhance the user interface. To add the extension, we have to open the Chrome and click these extensions and this manage extensions, and you want to enable this developer mode, and by clicking this load and pack, we can select the files which is same as that we have discussed here, this YouTube summarize extension. And by loading this extension file, once it's loaded, it will appear a YouTube extension here in the top right corner. And here I have already added this YouTube video summary extension. In this way, you can add the extension and use it for your purpose. So here it is. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.